Like many of you, I've always dreamed of exploring the world and spending quality time with my family. And as an immigrant, I've experienced firsthand the power of hard work for a better life. I've built a successful career as an IT manager, and I've enjoyed the life that came with it. But working until my 70s to continue affording this lifestyle is not something I'm looking forward to. I wanted to be my own boss, to make my own decisions, and most important, to create a life where I could be fully present for my kids. Then I discovered this incredible opportunity. This isn't a get rich quick scheme or empty promises. It's about building a sustainable business that allows you to achieve your dream. It has a proven system, a comprehensive training, mentorship, and a supportive community, and you can create a life that you love. I've personally experienced the benefits of this opportunity, and I'm excited and I'm here to share it with you. I want to inspire, to support, and to educate as many moms out there as possible so they can stop dreaming of someday and they can start living the life they want today. Stop being afraid of trying something that maybe you haven't done before. If you are ready to turn those dreams into reality, I invite you to join our free info session and learn more. Let's talk about your goals and how we can make them a reality together. Remember, this isn't just about earning money. It's about reclaiming your time, creating lasting memories with your family, and securing your future. Let's make it happen.